This is Maggie from Juma, and today I want to show you our speech-to-text functionality inside the Juma platform. Basically, you can talk to the AI instead of typing. This is great when you're on the phone, inside our mobile app, you're walking, you're brainstorming out loud, or just want to get your thoughts out faster. So here's how it works. See that microphone button over here in the chat input field? I'm going to click it, and now it's listening. I'm going to say, I am brainstorming a campaign for a sustainable fashion brand launching their first recycled denim collection. Now when I'm done, it will process my speech and turn it into text. There it is. You can edit this if you want, delete stuff, add stuff. I will type, we're targeting Gen Z. And now I will click the microphone again. Give me 10 creative campaign ideas. Each one should have the potential tagline, the main hook, and tell me which social platforms would work best. Please be bold and authentic. So I just built my prompt by mixing speaking and typing. You can go back and forth as much as you want. This works on mobile and desktop, so use it wherever you are. Thank you for watching and see you soon.